All right, folks. I forgot to take you along yesterday, but moved a big yellow friend over to the neighbors, which did some work over there yesterday on repairing his emergency overflow. Had to cut it down some. It was too high for his pond, and I forgot to take you along, but I need Backhoe's little assistance. Now, I'll take you along. I'll get you. Forgot. Take you along a little bit, then it'll take a few minutes to get over there, so yeah, not very long, but I'll stop the recording and bring you back online there when I get there. GoPro stop recording.